Hi everyone, this is the first open box video for 2 years Smart Control Panel L. This panel has 5-inch screen with 2 mics on the front, with very high resolution of 226 ppi, and also a detour sensor here to detect people's motion. When they approach the screen, it will automatically light up. So let's check on the back. You can say this is designed for installation for the North and Latin America region. The installation base here with 2, one is for the loud wine, the other is for neutral wine. And also it has replaced 2 relays of the switch, so it can directly connect here. It has Wi-Fi and Zigbee and Bluetooth mesh gateway inside, but also to keep stable connection with the internet has an extra intranet.